In our series of mix and match blocks, we're going to make the second block, which is the leaf block with the stem. Now, this looks really cute with the flower block that we already made. That was block number 1. So, you ready to learn how to do this? It's so easy and super fast, okay? Well, let's get started. So here pictured is our layout and cutting for our leaf block. As you can see, all of the parts are labeled with letters, and then on the side we have the letter with what size fabric you need to cut. So with this block, I just used all of my green colorway scraps that I could find, and then I cut them to fit my leaf and my stem. And then I just used background fabrics. So in this diagram, it's going to show you how to make your leaf units. So we're going to begin by making an AB unit as follows. So we're going to take one A square and 2 small B squares. And what we're going to do is snowball our A square on 2 of the opposite corners. So you'll snowball them, you'll stitch from corner to corner on B, you'll fold the flap back, press it, and then trim off the excess fabric in the back. All right, so now we have our leaf unit blocks made. Now we're going to add fabric C and D. So what I did is I laid them out on my design board, and then I laid out C, then the leaf, then D, then the leaf, then C, and I sewed them together in rows like that. Once I did that, then I pressed it and trimmed it up, and then I added the stem in the middle, joining the 2 columns together to make my block. All right, so now that we have our leaf units and our stem sewn together, we are now going to do the last part of our block, and we're going to add our 2 side borders, which is fabric F, which is also our background fabric, okay? So let's sew that on now. Okay, guys, so it's really that simple. Okay, it doesn't take long to make this block, and you get to use up a bunch of scraps. So pictured here, you can see our leaf block on our design wall with our flower block that we made in block 1. So as you can see, this series is called Mix and Match. There's 4 blocks. So we have our flower, our leaf, our bumblebee, and our bird. So we have 2 of our blocks made so far. So as you can see, you can arrange these blocks any way you want. They're all going to line up together. All of our blocks are 13 inches by 12 inches. All right. Well, as usual, I want to let you know where to find this free pattern, and that's at tildasworld.com under her free patterns. And I just love this block. It's so easy to make, and it's just super adorable with that flower. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.